Still 11 days until the equinox, but it's definitely big coat weather out there. Chilly winds, some sunshine, but plenty of showers as well. Here's the bigger picture, the view from space. Satellite image showing this large stripe of cloud. There's a large area of high pressure over here, way out to the west, but we're being controlled by this low pressure system, which is bringing in the winds behind it down from the north or the northwest. And this speckle here, well, they're showers that are feeding in down through the Irish Sea into northwest England. That's going to continue to drift south across the Midlands, but there's plenty of showers developing elsewhere also. Not too many for South Wales, southwest England. Parts of eastern England may escape dry, and certainly this afternoon much of southeast Scotland will be dry as well. But elsewhere, be prepared for showers to come and go throughout the day. They'll chug through pretty smartly because of that brisk wind, but that brisk wind is bringing the chill. Temperatures really struggling, 12, 13 at best across the north, maybe 15, 16, 17 in the south, but add on that wind and it feels colder, feels more like single digits for many. So yes, a real chill out there today. It's going to get cold overnight as well. Still plenty of showers around for this evening's rush hour, so yes, lots of spray and surface water on the roads. 1 minute it's dry, the next you're in a downpour. But generally the showers will ease, certainly across the Midlands, much of eastern England, southern Scotland, southern England will have a dry night. And with clear skies, and as the winds ease a touch, with the cold air in place, temperatures are really going to tumble down to 5, 6 degrees in most towns and cities. Rural areas will be not far off, or even, particularly across the north, a little bit below freezing. So yes, a chilly start to Thursday. Should be some sunshine around though for many. A sparkling start over southern Scotland, eastern and southern England. There will be showers again tomorrow, particularly across north and west Wales, northern parts of Northern Ireland, northern Scotland, but not as many tomorrow for southwest Scotland, northwest England looking a bit drier. Come the afternoon, a few across southwest England, and the odd one over the Midlands and eastern England as well, but generally not as many showers as today, a bit more in the way of sunshine. And the winds will be a little bit lighter tomorrow. They're still coming down from the north, so it's still cold air, so temperatures are still going to struggle. Most places, again, struggling to get into the teens across the north, maybe 15 or 16 further south. But with the winds being a bit light, it'll probably feel a little bit less cold tomorrow. But it's going to get cold again on Thursday night in particular, and temperatures are below average. These are the numbers for Thursday, comparing them to average, significantly below for the time of year. So yes, a real chill. As I said, it's going to get cold on Thursday night as well. Still a few showers around on Thursday evening, but they will tend to fade. The winds will ease down further. We'll have clear skies, so even more likely to see temperatures down to pretty close to freezing on Friday morning. But then we'll start to see a bit more of a change. That high pressure down to the west will start to build in across the southern half of the UK, but low pressure still in control further north. Some wet and windy weather likely across Scotland, particularly so on Saturday, but high pressure dominating to the south, bringing quite a lot of fine weather here actually for the end of the week. And it will also bring some milder air. So we've got the colder air in place at the moment, but as this high topples in and the weather comes more in from the west, we will see temperatures rising slowly but surely through the weekend and into next week. So yes, it is pretty chilly out there at the moment, but something a bit warmer on the way through the weekend and for next week. For more details on that, you can catch our 10-day trend. That'll be available on our YouTube channel by Wednesday afternoon.